Rakshit Mandlani. I hope you all are following the rules and regulations which are framed by our government to protect our nation. Don't be panic, my dear students. It's a time to come together as a nation and we have to face problem boldly. In this session, we will learn about digestive system, as this system helps to our body to digest the food in a proper manner. We'll also learn about different organs of our body which helps to digest the food. First of all, what is digestion? Our body needs what is digestion? Our body needs energy to perform different activities in our daily routine life, such as dance, to study, to work, to play. For all these activities, we need energy, and we get proper energy from the digested food only. From where does the energy comes from? The food that we eat, that gives us energy, but our body cannot utilize the energy from the food that we eat. It's very essential to digest the food in a proper manner. To digest the food, the digestive system helps us, our body. The food that we eat, such as dal, rice, chapati, vegetables and milk, so on, these all foods broken into smaller and simpler forms to get the energy. Breaking down food into smaller and simpler forms is called digestion. The digested food passes to our body with the help of the blood. Move forward. What is digestive system? Digestion in our body takes place in a number of steps. Several internal organs of our body helps in digestion of food. What are internal organs? The organs which are inside our body, that are known as internal organs. These organs together make up our digestive system. The digestive system. Digestion system is always start with our mouth. Saliva is the digestive juice produced by the salivary gland in the mouth. When we chew food, our teeth break the food into smaller pieces. Our tongue mixes the smaller pieces of food with saliva. This makes the food soft so that it can be swallowed easily. Our tongue then helps to push the food into a thin and long tube called the food pipe. Now digestion in the stomach. From the food pipe, the food passes into the stomach. Food pipe से food हमारे stomach में जाता है. In the stomach, the food mixes up with more digestive juices. Stomach में जाने के बाद food वहाँ digestive juices साथ mix हो जाता है. These juices starts to break down proteins and fats into simpler substances. In the stomach, the food remains for up to 3 hours. हमारे stomach में खाना 3 hours तक रहता है. Now digestion in the small intestine. From the stomach, the food passes into small intestine. The shape of small intestine is like a long coiled tube. The inner walls of the small intestine produce certain juices. Other organs such as the liver and the pancreas also produce juices which are poured into a small intestine. The food mixes with these juices and is completely digested. The digested food is now in a simple soluble form. It is absorbed into the blood through the walls of small intestine. The blood then carries the digested food to the all parts of the body. This digested food is used to produce energy. Now question arises that what happens to undigested food? मतलब जो खाना हमारे पेट में नहीं पचता है उसका क्या होता है? Some parts of the food are not digested by the body. कोई food का part हमारी body digest नहीं कर सकती है. They pass into a pipe-like organ called the large intestine. जो food digest नहीं होता है वो large intestine के through pass हो जाता है. Water from the undigested food is absorbed by the large intestine. जो water होता है undigested food में से वो large intestine absorb कर लेता है. The solid waste that remains passes out of the body through the opening called the anus. और बाकी जो अनडाइजेस्टेड फूड है उसका वाटर जो होता है उसका लार्ज इंटेस्टाइन ऑब्जर्व कर लेता है और बाकी सॉलिड वेस्ट होता है वो एनस की हेल्प से पूरा बाहर आ जाता है. As we know, our today's generation is totally based on junk food. Many of people are eating junk food only as they are not eating a balanced diet. Balanced diet is a diet which give a proper nutrients to our body and makes our body fit and fine. But what are the effect of unhealthy diet? I will tell you. Eating unhealthy food, junk food, or a diet that comprises of high amount of carbohydrates, refined sugar, salt, and fats can lead to an unhealthy digestive system. This kind of food is low in nutrients, fiber, and water content. Thus, it slows down the digestion process and making the stomach bloated. When food is absorbed by intestine, it requires fiber as well as water. But due to lack of these two content, these foods leads to a poor digestion system. So it's my request to all the students. They have to eat a proper balanced diet from which they can get proper nutrients, proper carbohydrates, and avoid eating junk food. Now, good eating habits. We can also play a part in a proper digestion of food by our body. We must follow some rules and regulation to make our digestive system in a proper way. First is we should eat our food at a fixed time. हमको हमारा खाना फिक्स टाइम पे खाना चाहिए. We should chew our food properly before swallowing it. हम swallow करने के पहले हमको फूड को प्रॉपर च्यू करना चाहिए जैसे सारे न्यूट्रिएंट्स हमको मिल जाए. We should not eat in a hurry. Properly chewed food help in faster digestion of the food. After having meal, we should rinse our mouth. Water helps in digestion of food. We should drink sufficient quantity of water every day. We should eat lots of vegetables and fruits. They gives us nutrients to keep our body healthy. We should also eat food that gives us roughage or fiber. Our food cannot digest fiber, but fiber helps to remove waste from our body. I hope you understood about digestive system of our body and how it's helped digest our food in a proper manner. I've also shared some good eating habits, effect of unhealthy diet with you. I request you all to follow that good eating habits in your life. Thanks for watching this video.